Hello, reptile enthusiasts. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of the Gargoyle Gecko, a captivating and unique lizard species that adds a touch of charm and intrigue to your reptile collection. Before we delve into the fascinating world of the Gargoyle Gecko, remember to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. This gecko species is celebrated for its captivating and otherworldly appearance. It features a stout body with a row of raised bumps or horns along its head and back, giving it a gargoyle-like appearance, hence the name. Their coloration can vary, with shades of brown, green, or gray, often with intricate patterns. These unique characteristics make it a standout in any reptile collection. To successfully care for a gargoyle gecko, it's essential to provide the right environment. These geckos thrive in a well-maintained vivarium or terrarium with appropriate temperature and humidity levels. They are primarily nocturnal, so providing low-intensity UVB lighting is essential. Their diet includes a variety of insects, fruit, and specialized gecko food. Maintaining proper humidity and temperature levels, as well as offering hiding spots and branches for climbing, is crucial for their well-being. Gargoyle geckos are relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to a properly set up enclosure. Gargoyle geckos are a versatile and captivating addition to any reptile collection. The unique appearance and ease of care make them an excellent choice for reptile enthusiasts and collectors. They add a touch of charm and intrigue to your living space or reptile room, making them a favorite among reptile keepers. In conclusion, the Gargoyle Gecko is a captivating and unique lizard species that can elevate the charm of any reptile collection. Their distinctive appearance and relatively straightforward care requirements make them a popular choice for reptile lovers. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of reptiles on our channel.